Hey guys, it's Timo from Tech, and today we are checking the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6. So first of all, this is the Mi Band 5 that we already checked it. Works well for my mom actually uses it, not me. And this is the Mi Band 6, so pretty much same watch. The screen is a little bit bigger, and seems like there are some new sensors. I'm not fully sure. Let's go ahead and check this out. So I got it in the same app that the previous watch, so if you live in Israel, you should watch the Hebrew version, because there I will explain how you can get this one sort of for free, So let's go ahead, unbox it and see what's going on. I really want to test if the new strap fits the old Xiaomi Mi Band 5 or not. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like it fits perfectly with no issues. That means that the old straps will be good with the new one and vice versa. If we look at the back, we can see some difference in the sensors, but nothing too extensive, so they are pretty much similar. So let's connect the new Mi Band, and it just magnetizes. That's it, and I guess it will power up in a moment. We'll have to see. Yep, it did power up, and it seems like it shows the details on landscape mode, which is quite cool. We can see the hour, which isn't correct yet, but that's acceptable, and obviously the battery percentage, which is currently 0, and yeah, we should let it at least a few minutes to charge, so we'll have at least something to deal with. So, it is a little bit charged, guess it will be okay. But first, that's what it says. So, I'm on the Mi Smart application, and basically let's try to pair it. So we go into band, it's free, and yeah, now it's searching. Guess it will find it, hopefully. Takes a long time to find. Oh, here it is. Okay, pair with phone. Yes, let's click OK. And basically, yep, so now it is pairing. It already knows the clock, and seems like, yep, basically it's restoring again band settings like in the previous time we had. So basically it will take a few seconds probably, or minutes. It will probably update the band if it has any firmware update, and it will also pretty much put all our settings here. So compact size, large display. Yeah, the display is a little bit larger. Wearable blood oxygen detection monitor. So this is something new that, as far as I know, the previous watch didn't have. So it will detect pretty much the blood oxygen that you have. 30 types of workouts, choose freely. So I think it will know much more workouts that you do, and it will recognize them as far as I understand as well. One score to know your sleep breathing quality. Well, for me and for my mom, as far as I know, she doesn't wear it at night, so it's kind of relevant, but yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and see. Yeah, it is updating right now, so I guess it will take a few minutes, but it's all done automatically, and that's quite cool. Okay, so it does want to charge it, but yeah. Connect to app, update again. What? Oh, okay, so basically I guess that's it. I mean, it is connected. Oh. Seems like the watch doesn't understand that it is connected for some reason. Not fully sure. So, there are vibration controls. There are band settings. Let's see what we have here. So, we have the display settings. Let's see if we can... display settings didn't... Yeah. Band lock now, band location. Okay. Display. Why don't it have any other settings? Okay, let's try to connect it maybe and see if we get anything better. So yeah, it just wants to charge it no matter what. I guess we have to just give it some time. And we can update it again. That's the whole thing. So it does want to update it no matter what, and since we don't have enough battery, we cannot update it probably as usual. So let's try again. Oh, it wants to charge first. Okay, let's give it a few more minutes and then we'll see. So after some updates, it seems that we have finally finished and we have our watch ready, our Mi Band watch. So basically all the settings and everything seems to be quite the same. If we go to the band settings, you can pretty much find the same settings that were last time. The only thing changed is basically that the screen is a little bit bigger and there is an SPO, or however it is called, detector. So let's try and hold it in place because it's hard. This is the Mi Band 5 again. Let's just see together. As you can see, the screen is a little bit bigger on the Mi Band 6, not significant, and there is an issue on the Mi Band 6 that I already noticed. You don't have here at the bottom any home button, but here you do have. So basically, if I would be, for example, at some, I don't know, something particular here, let's say here, and I press here, I'll go back home. If I'm here somewhere, I don't know, on, for example, music, I can press here as much as I want. I won't be back home. I need to swipe back. So that's quite annoying, but it is what it is. The screen is a little bit bigger for that. And yeah, if we'll go like this, I guess, yeah. So we have world clock, we have music, we have weather, alarm, events, breathing, stress, working history, workout, notifications, sleep, and the SPO2 that I said, this is the new sensor basically, heart rate, PAI, status, basically everything that we already had except that SPO2 sensor. So everything is the same, and let's flip them for a moment. Let me show it here like that. So they have pretty much the same sensors, but a little bit different, and yeah, they're pretty much identical. And as I already showed you, you can pretty much take that band from one to another. They fit together, no issues at all. That's quite cool. Yeah, it is a little hard to notice if I'm holding the Mi Band 6 or the Mi Band 5. So yeah, they're pretty much identical, I'd say. Now, the charger is magnetic, and whenever you charge it, actually it shows you a little bit. Oh, yeah, now it is connected. So it is showing it a little bit different here, as you can see. That's how it shows. You have your clock and the charging information. But if you would charge the older one, you'd just have it like this. Like this. And yeah, that's less comfortable, but it works as well. So that's how it is. Let's bring the scale and actually try to scale it. Let's go to grams once it's turned on. Here it is. Okay, this is grams. Great. And I need to see something. Yeah, okay. So Mi Band 5, 12 grams. Great. Mi Band 6, I think it's a little bit heavier, but nothing significant. Actually, it shows 12 grams, 13 grams, yeah, that's what it showed me in the previous time. So yeah, it is 13 grams and not 12, so it's quite the same and works pretty well, no issues at all here. I'd say it like this. If you currently have a Mi Band 5, there is no reason at all to upgrade to the Mi Band 6, no reason. If you don't have any of them, the Mi Band 6 is actually a good opportunity, a good chance to actually get into all of that. And the battery should last you about 14 days, which is pretty much the same as this one, but I think this one actually held even more, at least for my mom. And that one pretty much seems the same, so no issues at all. Anyways, this is the Mi Band 6, and again, if you live in Israel and you know Hebrew, you should go to the Hebrew version of this video and check out there how you can get this one for sort of free, again, sort of, not exactly free, but you won't pay money for that. Thank you for watching this Linus Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.